Radiance CC section isn't just a school, it's a place where dreams take flight. Our teachers super smart and kind. They help us learn new things, fun and exciting way. We have a lot of fun activities like toy room, kids corner and nap room. But that's not all. We also have a big playground where we can run, jump and play with our friends. And our classroom are bright and colorful with lots of toys and books. So if you're looking for a school that's fun, friendly and full of learning, come join us at Radiance CC Center. We can't wait to meet you. Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be here at Radiance Primary section.
At Radiance, learning is fun. We have amazing teachers who make every subject interesting. We learn about math, science, English and so much more.
We have cool computer labs and a spacious library. We even have a greenhouse and a CBC garden where we can learn about plants and experiments.
And the best part, we have lots of fun with our friends. We play games, join clubs, go on field trips and swimming lessons. So if you're looking for a school that's full of fun,
challenging and full of amazing opportunities, come join us at Radiance Primary section.
Hello everyone, we are excited to share some great news. Radiance Academy is now enrolling students for the new intake.
Hi Eunice and Ryan.
Hi.
Welcome to school.
Thank you. At Radiance Academy, we believe in nurturing young minds. We offer a stimulating learning environment.
Our teachers are passionate and dedicated in helping us succeed. We also have state-of-the-art classrooms and playgrounds. And over here is the science lab, where we do our experiments and learn all about the world around us.
Our clubs encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and teamwork. At Radiance Academy Nakuru, we also have a computer lab,
where we can learn to code and use different softwares.
When it comes to sports, we have something for everyone. Welcome to our sports club.
So, if you're looking for a school where you can learn to do art and grow, where you can explore your talent and have a blast, then Radiance is a school for you.
Don't miss this opportunity to join a vibrant community of learners. Enroll now.